Okay, this little video is for those of you working on rocker arm tangent. Rocker arm tangent requires you the use of the tangent tool, the tangent object snap, and I'm going to demonstrate that to create these lines and these lines, as well as do a quick review of tangent radius and how we can use that to create this arc right here. So let's get into our CAD file. I've already placed the circles using dimensions on the drawings. Before I can draw my lines, I need to come down here and make sure my object snaps are turned on. This is light blue here. I'm going to click on this little list here and make sure there's a check mark next to tangent. So turn the tangent object snap on. Now all we have to do is grab our line tool and just come near where you want it to go. And I'm just going to draw a line in there. And I'll do another line over here, kind of near where I want it to go. Now what we're going to do is select the line, and we'll grab this little handle, and as we slide it over, you're going to see it snap in. You'll see the little tangent icon snap in, and grab this little icon. You see again, whoops, make sure it snaps to tangent. Okay, and there it is, to tangent there. You want to double check, come back to the other end, and make sure this is still at a tangent point, because we move that. Pull that off and just make sure it snaps to tangent. So you see it just shortened up a little bit. Same thing here. We're going to grab the point of the line, bring it up, make it tangent, okay, and then we're going to grab the point of the line, and you'll see that little circle, that cannonball looking circle, snap in there, go back to the end here, and verify this is exactly where you need it to be. You should see, let me zoom out on there. You should see it snap to the tangent. So you see there it got a little bit shorter. So you do have to adjust that. Just make sure that's in place. So these two lines are tangent. We can then use the circle tool with his tan R, because we're going to have a tangent point here, and we're going to have a tangent point here. So let's go ahead, tangent, tangent. Do a quick reference of your drawing. It needs to be a radius of 7.25. So we're going to type the radius of 7.25. Hit enter. There's your circle. Now all you need is the trim tool, and you can clean this drawing up as you move forward. So that's a quick review of tangent radius and the new use of the O-snap tool of the tangent to make this.